Hello everybody, just here with a quick Etsy update. I have a kit, a digital printable kit that's been on my Etsy since 2019. I took my Etsy down for a while and I've put it back up a couple of months back. I reactivated it, still with this kit available. And I have been working away at adding to this kit. So I'm going to show you the original kit and then what I've added to it. The original kit is 10 pages. It's a vintage floral theme, and the basis of it is my own photography. So my photographs of flowers and textures, and then I've layered that up with some common images, so ones that are available free online, just to add some extra dimension and interest into the pages, but based on my own photography. So this first one, hopefully I'm in frame okay. This is the rose page, and on each of the main pages there's a little botanical sort of thing, I don't know what you call it, definition or something of the flower. So this says rose, woody perennial flowering plant of the genus Rosa in the family Rosaceae. I think that's how you pronounce it. But just to give you an idea, I'm not going to read them all out, but just a little bit of scientific information, I guess, just to add to the overall look. So these pages, you can use them as pages in journals. You can tear them up for collage. You can do whatever you like, whatever paper crafting you want to do with them. Go ahead and enjoy. So this is the rose page. This is the lily page. So things in this like the bike, hopefully you can see it. The bike and the world map and the door and etc. That's common images. Okay. This is the lilac page. It's one of my favourite ones, I think. Hydrangea. Daisies. Dahlia. So that's the original 6 journal pages, and then there was a couple of pages of tags. So that's the first page, and then that page are the tags all to match in. A page of journaling cards, and then a page of mini journaling cards and some floral quotes in the middle. So that was the original 10 pages of the kit. Now why I added to this was 2019 was a wee while ago, and my style, my growth as an artist, my abilities in Photoshop and photography and all that have grown. And I also believe the market has changed as well. So people are wanting more for their money, which I completely understand because I'm the same. And so I really wanted to add value to the kit. So I thought rather than doing a whole new kit, I would start with something that was already basically half done. So the original kit, 10 pages, I've added another 10 pages. So you now get 20 pages in the kit for the same price. Like, how could it be any better than that? So you get double the quantity for the same price. Oops, this is upside down. So this is, I've added 2 more journal pages. So this one's Magnolia. And this one is anemone. Hard to say that word. Spring bulb flower. So done in the same style with the same definitions. There's a couple of extra elements I've added in, moved things around, but basically they tie in with the original kit. So 2 extra journal pages, and then we've got a whole lot of extras. Hopefully you can see this in frame because I've brought the camera lower so that you can have a better look. I might need to leave this sideways. This is a page of labels. So there's some stamp-like ones. There's some butterflies down the bottom here. Hopefully you can see all this, and then different shaped labels, and everything coordinates. Then there's this page of faux washi. So not all the pages, not all the journal pages are represented here, just a selection of them. But all goes together. So that's that one. Then we've got a page of larger butterflies. So we've got this big butterfly here. And then we've got 4 sort of medium sized, and then we've got the small ones on the label page. So there's that. Then there's a page of words, and they're done with this cool little film strip around them on a textured background. That's one of my photographs. And they're all themed around the vintage floral. So there's words like beauty, foliage, blossom, spring, daisy chain, just a whole heap of different words. And then down the bottom here, there's some quotes in the film strip frames as well. And then the next page looks fairly similar, it's because it is, except the words are sentence makers. So the words that you can use to join up the main words. So there's the, for, all, they, you know, all those sorts of words that you can use to make a sentence. So you might want to make a heading. So let's take bloom from this sheet. I'm just looking for a good option. Bloom, when, maybe, or today. Let's take today. So you can go bloom today and make a sentence basically, or a heading is the idea. What's another one? Oh, I've just noticed a typo. I need to fix that. Okay, I must go do that. I'll do that straight after the video. Make sure that's all fixed up. I thought I'd checked everything, but you know, things slip through every now and then. And there's different sizes, so these black ones are different size to the brownie ones, so that you can mix and match between the 2 sheets. I was just scanning to see if I could find any more mistakes, but no, just that one that I need to fix up on that page, which is the last one I did for the kit, so wouldn't you know it. Never mind, it happens, so I'll fix that up. Then we've got more tags, and these are your classic tag shape. I updated, I worked out how to do that, whereas when I did the original kit, I didn't know how to do proper tag shapes. So that's part of my growth. So this is one of the pages, and I've got 2 large ones and 3 small ones. And then on the other 2 pages of tags, I've got 3 large ones. So again, all just coordinating with the kit. And then last but not least, so that's all that's on Etsy. All those 20 pages are available on Etsy. So hop along there if you're interested and take a look. And then this final page, which is upside down, is an iris journal page. And this isn't part of the kit, but it coordinates with the kit. This is available as a freebie on my Facebook group, Visual Vibes. So feel free to pop along into the group, whether you buy the kit or not, it doesn't matter. You're able to access this, download it, print it off, and use it however you wish. So that's my gift to everybody who comes into my group, Visual Vibes. Hope to see you there. Leave me a message if you pop in there and say hi. I'd love to meet you. So there we go. It's a quick little Etsy update. Really happy with how it turned out, apart from that one typo that I just need to go and fix. Other than that, it's all good to go. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.